Hi everyone, Alicia with Evening Star Travel. I'm coming to you today with a little bit of a different update. So I'm really excited. During the Black Friday sales, I went out and I purchased myself a new carry-on. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Monos Carry-On Pro. Super excited. So come on with me. I know. I have a lot of carry-ons, really fabulous carry-ons. Some are logoed. But I'm super excited about this one too. You can never have enough carry-ons, especially when you're in an industry such as myself. But anyways, fantastic carry-on. Follow along. I'll take you on my trip of unboxing it. What I really love about this company is that they are a Canadian company. My understanding is they started in Vancouver, so always happy to support the Canadian company. Let's see. Oh, look at this. So I got the Pro, the Monos Carry-On Pro. And the biggest reason is because of this. This is exactly what I'm looking for in a carry-on right now. I'm trying to reduce what I'm taking on trips, and look at that. All these pockets, oh my God. This is so cool. So, wait. Oh, and it fits beautifully. Look at that. Nice matte black, so it's not gonna get the smudges or it's not gonna get buffed where the shine will show really noticeably. It also does have locks here, which is super nice. TSA approved locks, so if they need to get into your bag, they can. And a beautiful, smooth handle. Really lightweight. I'm actually surprised at the weight. It's really light. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what the okay. It was just 000. It was in there by default, the 000. Yes. Pretty standard. Okay, so yes, that laptop portion does cut in a bit to your space here. So something to keep in mind. And I think we have some goodies in here. Ooh, some nice shoe bags for storing shoes and other things. Oh, here's the instructions inside. Nice little site line. And a lovely luggage tag. Although I might put something on that's a little bit more colorful, just so that it's a little bit more noticeable. Yes, that's nice smooth zippers too. I like that one. This is a really cool feature as well. I really like this. So lots of space. This is where the handles are, so that does cut in a little bit also to your carry-on. This is another little pocket. But what you do is you pack it here, and if it's maybe a little bit packed too tight, you put this on top, and then you can like ratchet it down to push your clothes down, or whatever you're packing on that side. So it gives you more space. Oh, really excited to use this on my next trip. Yeah, nice, smooth zippers. That was just my fault. Being awkward for the camera. Nice, smooth this. And nice, smooth wheels, too. Yeah, nice and smooth. So that's my unboxing of the Monos Carry-On Pro. I'll put the link below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I'm just really happy to share something cool with you. So yeah, Alicia with Evening Star Travel. You guys have a great day and happy packing for your next trip.